Howdy y'all. I'm going to show y'all how to do an oil change. First thing you want to do is you want to locate your oil pan, which is right here. And then that's where your oil is held. And what's actually keeping the oil inside the oil pan is this here. That would be your drain plug. What you're going to do is you're going to loosen that up. And it's the same as opening a Coke or something. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm just going to pull on this. Once you get it loose, start to twist it out. I'm going to back up out of here. So that way it'll just drop like that. Then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take out our oil filter. Oil filter is right there, same as the drain plug. I'm just gonna twist on that. Take that out. Put that on there. You're gonna get your new oil filter. Put your new oil, and we want to make sure that the old one still has this little rubber piece on that. What that does is secures it inside there, and if sometimes it will get stuck on there, and that will not allow this new oil filter to stay on there, right? You're gonna get on there, tighten it back up. Once that's nice and snug, you're gonna come back under here, and you're gonna put your drain plug back in. You're gonna tighten that up right there. And then you make sure it's nice and tight so that way no oil comes out. So we're gonna go back upstairs.
Start with 5 quarts.
Find where the oil goes. Usually the cap will say what kind of oil it takes. This takes 5W20. And you gotta know how much oil your car takes. This one takes 5 quarts. So you're gonna put 5 quarts in. And once you reach 5 quarts, you're gonna start it up and read your dipstick and make sure you have the right amount. What we want to remember is if you have too much oil, it can ruin your engine. If you don't have enough oil or none at all, you can have a major breakdown with your engine, and you never want that. So that's how you change an oil.